Hello, so this short video shows scenes from what appears to be a platoon-sized element of the 3rd Seperate Storm Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces storming Russian-occupied positions in the area of Bakhmut. From the video it looks like the Russians were reinforced by a BMP platoon that got quickly spotted and engaged by Ukrainian forces. The Ukrainians on their side had a tank attached to the element that forced the squad-sized Russian group to give up their positions and flee. However, upon watching the Russian soldiers flee, the tank didn't stop and proceeded to conduct what appears to be, at least in my opinion, a pretty risky maneuver. Basically, the tank was driving all over the place, especially on top of the Russian positions, while Ukrainian soldiers were standing all around the area. Such a maneuver in such a close space is quite risky because it needs a lot of coordination between the tank and the infantry, and every little mistake can be fatal here. So, for example, if there's still a Russian inside there who decides to still keep up the fight, to then engage one of the soldiers who then ducks for cover and easily can jump in front or behind the tank and getting crushed by it. So yeah, it was quite a sight to see here. Another interesting thing about the video was that it was shared together with commentary made by the Wagner Group's leader, who was commenting on recent events that were matching up with the things in the video. I couldn't include it in the video here because the original video was basically full with third-party music and I had to change it. But I will link it in the description and you can check out the original source, you can follow them and you can watch the video there itself with the commentary. And yeah, thank you for watching, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Till the next time.